Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel. Let us see today we'll see one of the important tasks in Excel, that is conditional formatting. So we'll do the formatting and we'll keep condition for Excel, sheets and cells. So let us start here. Comes here conditional formatting. So we'll see here conditional formatting is very important. See, I want to put somewhat condition for this table. See, I have this table. I want to put special conditional. See, when you go for conditional formatting, so first we'll see highlight cells rules. In there, second will come a greater than. Okay, I want to be keep condition this here, this cell which is greater than 65. So whichever is that, it's looking a red light. Okay, I can also change here. I'll be type here which is greater than 70. Okay, I want to change this color is light red is there. I can write light green fill also, you can see here. So like this you can be put. So when you summarizing result of students like this, you can be put the conditional. Okay, that is for greater than. Same as well as you can be select here, you can be use less than also. Same, go to the conditional, go to here less than. Okay, if you want to keep less than here 50, who are score less than 50, I want to see only red color or particular yellow color, you can be books. See, out of this table who are scored before 50, below 50, they have less number. Okay, this is condition. If you want to clear the conditional, just you go and clear rule for selected cells, you can remove. Okay, this is less than, greater than. And next comes here uh, between. So if you want to keep here between number, so I want to keep here 30 to 60, who are numbers are there, I can use the between numbers, you can see. So like this conditional formatting many are there. Between also you can use, and equals to also you can use equals to exact numbers. And text that contains, here comes combination of text. First I will be clear this one. Okay, now I want to check with the text, so I'll be select all. So again go conditional formatting and go to highlighted text that contains. So you can see here, here is name. I want to be check only which contain the I, it should be highlighted. Or I want to check which is contain the S, that should be highlighted. I want to contain particular N. So like this, when you have bulk of information, that time what happened, you are unable to identify properly. So that time you have to be use this kind of conditions. So you can put conditions and keep saving. And you can see next one is duplicate values. If you want to be duplicate value also, you can check it. Say suppose you have selected only duplicate values not there, it means repeated. You can see who has scored 50, again 50, that is called duplicate values. I think here duplicate values 95 is there, 85 is there, 56 is there. Okay, these are the duplicate you can see. Or you can be keep unique also, you can check. Okay, duplicate means double, unique means different. So you can check. So this is about the conditional formatting. I think highlighted all you have cleared. And now next will come here top bottom rules. Suppose when you are taking out result of student or employees, so you want to be take top 10 from top 10 or top 5. You can just you click first, you check top 10. When I select here top 10, okay, sorry, I will select only one row here because this is the result. I want to find out here top. Okay, top 10 is there, I will reduce that one. Okay, so here top 10 is written, I will be take here top 3. So you can see here top 3 is appearing. First top is 391, 384 and 383. If I take top 2, only 2 are. So like this you can be find out the top. Green filling is commonly for everywhere. Red border. Okay, different kind of you can be use. And this like this you can be find out the top one in the category or in the list, you can be find out. Okay, and top over, then you can see top 10 percentage. Same, it is same different, there is no different. Same you can check here top 10, top 12 percentage 391. Okay, so like this if you want to clear the all conditionals you can clear the all conditionals. Okay, for selected, for select you have to select and you have to be clear the rules. Okay, clear rules from selected cells. Okay, it's not selected. Okay, next comes again here, which is there. First you have to be keep select. Okay, next come here, top bottom, my bottom tens, bottom percentage, above average, below average. Okay, so average also you can be find out. Okay, and next comes here a gradient fill. If you want to keep gradient fill here, you can be see only depend upon the marks it will be come. See, just I'll be select here, this is gradient one. Okay, it will be show somewhat particularly. Okay, then I will go here gradient bars, you can see here. So when I selected here, it's showing the from bottom to top, top to bottom. Okay, bars you can select depend upon marks it will come, because all marks are similar, it's coming like this. If I put here marks is 200, so it will be change the date. So you can see if I put here 100, okay, it will be change. You can see this is, if I put here 150, somewhat change. So it will be show the uh, graph how it's scored. Okay, how he scored, that is showing the gradient. Okay, color scale same colors top to bottom, bottom to colors. And icon sets, instead of that one you want to be keep icons, you can be keep the icons also. You can see here icons, or if you can see here, if you want to change the icons, any kind of icons you can be keep the icons. So this is about the conditional formatting. Okay, format as table. See, already I prepared table, I want to be format as designing. Just format means making the design of table. You can see, just I will be select here, I want to be design as format as table. You can see here, if I selected this one, okay, it will be show like this. If I want to change, I can change the table. Okay, many kinds of formats will be there. So if you want to be look more beautifully, so then you can be use the format design tab, you can be used. If you don't want, and you can be use remove that this also. Okay, it will be help you when you doing. So you should be learn, because now we are under basic process. Okay, you can see here. And if you want to be keep cell styles also, you can check here, many kind of cell styles are there. So you can be make whichever kind of cells you want to be good, bad, what you want to be put conditionals, you can be put it. Okay, cell as normally, bad, normal, normal is normal. Okay, if you want like this cell setting particular, so you can be put the cell means I told only the box of individual. Thank you for watching video. Please comment and like and subscribe.